नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, गार्डन फार्मा यूट्यूब चॅनलवरती आपलं हार्दिक स्वागत आहे. चला तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण पाहूयात DSSB प्रिव्हियस इयर क्वेश्चन पेपर 2019 सेकंड शिफ्ट फार्मा बेस क्वेश्चन टेक्निकल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 कडे वळूयात. द प्रोसेस ऑफ ग्राइंडिंग अ सबस्टन्स टू अ व्हेरी फाईन पावडर इज कॉल्ड फर्स्ट लेविगेशन, सेकंड मॅसरेशन, थर्ड सब्लिमेशन, फोर्थ ट्रायचुरेशन. राईट आन्सर फोर्थ. Option number 4. Question number 2. A commonly used integrity test. A commonly used integrity test for high efficiency particulate air filter is the first bubble point test, second bacterial challenge test, third diacetyl phthalate test, fourth diffusion test. Right answer third. Option third. Question number 3. Which of the following organization functions as a laboratory with respect to blood grouping reagents and diagnostic kits for human immunodeficiency virus, hepatitis B, surface antigens and hepatitis C virus? First, National Institute of Biologicals, Noida. Second, Central Drugs Testing Laboratory, Thane. Third, Center for Advanced Research in Virology, Vellore. Fourth, National Institute of Virology, Pune. Option third is the right answer. Which one? Option third. Center for Advanced Research in Virology, Vellore. Question number 4. A dosage form that releases the drug at constant rate and provides plasma concentration that remain invariant with time is called first prolonged release, second controlled release, third extended release, fourth sustained release. There is right answer option 2, controlled release. Question number 5. The government endeavors to upgrade the standards of pharmacy education and R&D through which of the following institution? First, PCI, second, IIT, third, NIPER, fourth, AICT. Right option third, NIPER. Question number 6. If a drug is not labeled in the prescribed manner, then it shall be deemed as an first adulterated drug, second new drug, third misbranded drug, fourth spurious drug. Right answer misbranded drug. Question number 7. Which of the following is a technique used for the specific identification of RNA molecules? Western blotting, dot blotting, northern blotting, southern blotting. Right option third, northern blotting. Question number 8. Which of the following is an acute communicable disease of the upper respiratory tract? Upper respiratory tract communicable disease. Option first, chickenpox. Option second, influenza. Third, common cold. Fourth, measles. Here is right answer option second, influenza. Question number 9. Which of the following is a good method for sterilization of blood bags? First, using gamma radiation and ethylene oxide. Second, microwaving. Third, using a hot air oven. Fourth, autoclaving. Here is right answer option second, microwaving. Question number 10. Which of the following is a purine alkaloid? First, caffeine. Second, papaverine. Third, morphine. Fourth, codeine. Right answer option first, caffeine. Question number 11. A clinical disorder caused due to protein energy malnutrition is first alkaptonuria, second phenylketonuria, third kwashiorkor, fourth hypervalinemia. Here is right answer option third kwashiorkor. Question number 12. Which of the following is a mucopolysaccharide? Cellulose, D-glucuronic acid, third hyaluronic acid, fourth glycogen. Here is right answer option third hyaluronic acid. Question number 13. A bacterium that is commonly used to deliver the DNA for bacterial or viral antigens is first Mycobacterium tuberculosis, third Agrobacterium tumefaciens, third Salmonella typhimurium, fourth Salmonella enteritidis. Here is right answer option second. Question number 14. Which of the following drug is used as an anti-anxiety agent? First temazepam, second flurazepam, third triazolam, fourth diazepam. Here is right answer diazepam. Question number 15. Mebendazole contains the first imidazolidinone nucleus, second quinoline nucleus, third isoquinoline nucleus, fourth imidazole nucleus. Here is right answer imidazole nucleus. Question number 16. Which of the following is not a semi-solid dosage form? First ointment, second cream, third paste, fourth emulsion. Here is right answer option 4 emulsion. Question number 17. Which of the following statements is listed as an instruction for taking antacid tablets? First, do not take on an empty stomach. Second, do not take with milk. Third, avoid alcoholic beverages. Fourth, chew, do not swallow. Here is the right answer option 4th, chew, do not swallow. Question number 18. Which of the following toilet preparation is used to make the eyelashes appear longer? First eyebrow, second liquid eyeshadow, third mascara, fourth eye cream. Here is right answer mascara. Question number 19, second last question. A substance deemed to be poisonous as categorized in the Poison Act 1990 in list B is first arsenic, second potassium cyanide, third carbolic acid, fourth aconine. Here is right answer option third carbolic acid. And here is the last question 20. Which of the following is an analytical reagent used for the qualitative determination of ketosis? First Mollis reagent, second Grignard reagent, third Meier's reagent, and fourth Selinov's reagent. Here is right answer Selinov's reagent. So thank you students.